Hi, for today's video, I'm going to teach you what is array on AutoCAD. Array on AutoCAD create copies of objects arranged in a pattern. You can create copies of objects in a regularly spaced rectangular, polar, or path array. Distribute copies of the selected object into a combination of rows, columns, and levels. Array command in AutoCAD is array. So that you have 4 options and 5 if you want to edit the array itself. So array can be used to duplicate things or copy things. For example of array is first rectangular, make a rectangle, or in command rec itself. This is just an example. If you want more specific measurement, you can do it by yourself. Type array, then choose array rectangle or array rec. Select the rectangle itself, enter. Let's say on the upper side, you have the option of how many columns, how many rows. So if you want, let's say 6 columns and 1 row, enter. There. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to edit that array, you can select. Normally it will just show, but if you want, you can type array edit. If you want to change how many columns, let's say you want 10, you want 5 rows, enter, and it will just show. On the other hand, we have array polar. Array polar is dependent on a circle. For example, we have this circle and height in this rectangle. That, let's say we want to have that rectangle surround the circle, so we're gonna use array polar, enter, select the object, and find the center of the circle, in which case you can find it on the object snap settings. So array polar, enter, specify center point there, and you use o snap center point to show itself. let's say let's say we want to have 20 rectangles surrounding that circle. This is possible. There, that's 20 rectangles. Let's say we want to edit this and add 10 rows. You can add rows. The other array, it's called array path. Follows a path you draw. So, say we draw that, that. I you want a circle on that path, so we can array path. Select the object you want to array, select the path there. You can, items is dependent on how long your path is, so you can't add any items here because the circle is way too big for the next path. But you can still add rows. 20, you can add how many you want. And that's all for array.